In a dramatic escalation along Ukraine's northeastern frontier, a Ukrainian fighter jet executed a bold and meticulously timed airstrike that obliterated a Russian military base and its surrounding compound in the Sumy region, sending shockwaves across an already unstable border zone. The operation unfolded with chilling precision as the jet roared through contested airspace and released an AASM-250 guided bomb, a modern standoff weapon engineered for pinpoint accuracy and devastating destructive power against fortified targets. Moments later, violent explosions tore through hardened structures believed to house Russian troops, command posts, and military equipment, as towering columns of fire and debris erupted skyward. Ukrainian military sources described the strike as the result of detailed intelligence gathering and careful planning, stressing that the destroyed site played a key role in supporting Russian frontline operations and cross-border pressure. Footage circulating on social media appears to show powerful secondary detonations, indicating that ammunition stockpiles or fuel depots were struck, amplifying the blast and inflicting catastrophic damage across the entire compound. The Sumy region, which lies directly along the Russian border, has increasingly transformed into a flashpoint, with intensified shelling, drone reconnaissance, and frequent alarms underscoring the growing volatility of the area. Local residents near the strike zone reported witnessing a massive fireball lighting up the sky, followed by thick, rolling clouds of black smoke that remained visible for hours, creating an atmosphere of fear and uncertainty. Military analysts point out that the use of the AASM-250 underscores Ukraine's expanding ability to conduct deep, precision airstrikes against heavily defended positions, even amid persistent threats from Russian air defense systems. Russian officials offered little immediate comment, though pro-Kremlin channels acknowledged that an air attack had occurred, claiming defensive systems were engaged but providing few details about the extent of the damage. The destruction of the base is expected to significantly disrupt Russian logistics, troop coordination, and command capabilities in the Sumy sector, potentially delaying operations and forcing units to relocate under pressure. For Ukraine, the successful strike carries strong tactical and symbolic significance, reinforcing the message that its air force remains capable of striking decisively despite relentless missile and drone assaults on its own cities and infrastructure. As darkness fell over the smoldering remains of the compound, emergency responders and military units were reportedly seen converging on the site, while Ukrainian forces braced for possible retaliatory strikes. The attack adds another intense chapter to a conflict increasingly defined by speed, technology, and precision, where modern weapon systems can reshape the battlefield in a matter of seconds. International observers continue to watch developments closely, warning that sustained airstrikes near sensitive border regions could further inflame tensions and widen the scope of the confrontation. For now, the shattered base in Sumy stands as a stark reminder of the war's relentless momentum, where a single fighter jet, one guided bomb, and a brief moment in the sky can decisively alter the situation on the ground.